BBQ Sirloin Roast sandwiches with coleslaw are a favorite at my house. Grilling a roast on the barbecue may sound intimidating, but I'll show you how to do it in a few simple steps. This grilling method uses indirect heat, which just means the flame isn't directly under the food. It's great for roasts, ribs, whole chickens, and other large cuts of meat. Basically, it's like using an oven without heating up the whole house. So I've preheated one side of the grill to medium and left the other side off. I'm going to keep the lid down so it stays nice and warm. Now I'm making a rub. Dry rubs are simply a combination of dried spices that are massaged into food before cooking. I like using chili powder, black pepper, and garlic powder. Mix this together. Now rub the mixture evenly on all sides of the roast. You can also use dry mustard, cayenne pepper, cumin, paprika, or dry ginger. I love rubs because they can be done quickly before grilling and form a crust that really seals in the flavor. Now it's ready for the grill. Place it on the cool side of the grill and close the lid. That's it. You don't even have to turn it. This will cook for about an hour for a 3-pound roast. It's important to keep the lid shut, otherwise heat will escape and that increases the cooking time. It's been grilling for 1 hour and the internal temperature has reached 140 degrees. Now I'm brushing the roast with a 1/4 cup of Kraft barbecue sauce. Then you'll want to close the lid and grill for 10 more minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. I've transferred the roast to a cutting board and now I'm tenting it with foil. Since this is a large roast, it will continue to cook after being taken off the grill to an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Now cut the roast across the grain into thin slices. I have a 1/2 cup of Kraft barbecue sauce in a large bowl and I'm tossing the meat to coat. Then fill the rolls. Looks great. I like to serve these sandwiches with coleslaw. I just mix together some pre-made coleslaw blend with Miracle Whip dressing. Try it at your next barbecue. It's sure to get great reviews. For more great recipes and tips, visit our website's Grilling Center or search keyword grilling.